Module 12, Mini Business Project. Open your own pretend snack shop. In Excel, we'll track what you bought, what you sold, and how much profit you made. Real business stuff. 3 columns: cost, sell price, profit. Profit equals sell price minus cost. Sum the profit column to see your shop's total earnings. 3 business basics. Track every cost, calculate profit per item, and watch inventory. If you sell out, restock. If something doesn't sell, try a new flavor. Mini project. Open your pretend snack shop. 5 items: cost, sell, profit, inventory. Run it for a school week and see who's the best seller. Next, storytelling with Excel. Yes, you can tell stories with a spreadsheet.